Today's episode, I'm going to be demonstrating the way I engrave #2 pencils using the 3D printed jig I've designed with my xTool S1 diode laser. If you'd like any of the files or to purchase a physical jig, check out the link in the description below to my store, and I'll be happy to get one on its way to you. Here's the jig I 3D print for engraving pencils on my xTool S1 desktop diode laser. Got the 40-watt laser in here. I make a dozen pencils at a time, so I've got this placed at the 1-inch mark on my honeycomb. I've got my template in XCS set up, so I'll show you that on the screen and then run a batch of these pencils with multiple names on it to show you how fast this works. So here is the xTool Creative Suite software with my pencil jig dimensions loaded in. I've got a set of names for my family input into the template to engrave on the #2 pencils in the laser. If you want to make use of this and you want to purchase the template and the jig from me, all you would have to do is change the names that you want to engrave here, the items in red, to put the names you want to use into the system. But I will send these over to process and show you what that looks like on the laser. So here I'm framing in to make sure everything looks good position wise on the laser. So start at the top pencil, finish at the bottom. Everything's happy there. Then I'm going to hit the button to send everything over to the laser and start the engraving process. And this is all real time, so you'll see how fast the job works. And the laser's starting, and just quickly, without any fuss, puts the names on each of the pencils. All of the settings for this are included in the template file, so you don't have to worry with that if you're using the same materials that I am. I'll link to all of that in the description below, so you can get the same materials to get the same results. So I'm doing a full dozen pencils here with my wife and daughter's names on them. And after just under a minute, all 12 are complete. So you'll be able to batch out pencils quickly for your customers. And you can see the contrast is great on these, and very little cleanup, if any. If you like this, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tutorials that I'll be publishing. And if you want to get one of these templates or jigs, follow the link in the description below to head on over to my store, and I'll be sending you these right away.